Hi there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together August Crazy Card Chics Stamp Camp. Yeah, I had to make sure I got that right. Card kit. So my card looks like this. Let's go ahead and check out the kit. Of course, you get your instructions. We don't need those. I'll show you how to put it together. I'm going to set my envelope aside for now too. I'm going to set these little things aside, and we're going to start with this piece of basic white right here. I want to stamp a happy birthday in there, so I'm going to use Memento black ink, and I've chosen a happy birthday, and this is with the celebrate with tags. But any happy birthday you have in there, or happy birthday that you want to stamp in there, would work out just fine. Now I'm going to get a piece of scratch paper, and I'm going to practice one time just to make sure that my ink or my stamp can't do two things at once is inked up good. Okay, here we go. So we'll do that again. And I do have two chances because I can stamp on one side of the cardstock and then turn it over and stamp again. If this one doesn't come out nice, let's see. I'm going to hold that ink or that stamp on there, let that ink sink into the paper. Oh, nice. I'll take that. Okay, then this has got to be one of the most simple cards I think that I've ever offered here at Stamp Camp. So I'm going to turn this over. Just put a little bit of adhesive on the back of this. Put this in the inside, whoop, not upside down, of our basic black card base. Just like that, nice and centered. And then take this piece of designer series paper. Now I've already taken and cut away all those little cakes in there. If you just slip your designer series paper into the slots, like so, and then a little bit of adhesive on the back. A little bit of adhesive on the back. There we go. Whoop, there, I moved it. And then I'm going to just place this right here, centered on the front. So now it still has dimension, yet it's still mail friendly, as in the mail post office. Or mail friendly, you could send that to a mail card too. Then these here are little stickers. So I'm going to use my take your pick tool and peel those little stickers off and just place them random. Well, there we go. Random on my card here. I think I gave you, a couple big ones, a few medium-sized ones, even a few more small ones. This one I'm going to go ahead and place on the inside because these are stickers and flat. They can go on the inside nicely. And then those medium ones, I'm going to just take and place them next to the large ones here. And then the little ones, and I'm not even going to use all the stickers. There's a lot in there, but you could go hog wild with the stickers this time. There we go. And then a couple here on the front. Just to add a little bit of life and bling to your card. Now make sure, at least it's my recommendation and most other people's, that you do odd. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to just place one more little one on there. Maybe over here. And there you go. Looks like that. And then I have 3 I can use on another project there. Alrighty, so that's my card for this month. Thank you for being part of Crazy Card Chics, and I hope to see you back. Well, I hope to see you live. We're live in September, so that's exciting. Hope to see you all there. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.